Everybody, today on the eve of May 1st, today is May Day, the Labour's Day. We all people, we toil every day, morning till night, to earn money to take care of our duties, to fulfill our duties. As I told, the very purpose of our birth is to attain Jivan Mukti by fulfilling our duties in this life to all the souls with whom we are bonded and for which we are working, we are laboring. So on this Labour's Day, we have to we discuss on a very important topic of the burning issue of today's world, that is the corona. So yesterday in India we had 4.05 lakhs corona people affected. Every day it is going heading a very high way. World over millions of people are dying, and more and it is going unabated despite the vaccine has been invented by our scientists. Then what is the cause for increasing? It is said that by July it may go further and there will be third wave also. So in the morning today, while doing Samadhi meditation, I was contemplating on this. I just put before the Atma Guru, what is this cause for this unabated corona? Why you have brought this corona? So the topic today is why God has sent corona on mankind. Today you see this corona is affecting the mankind, not other living creatures. So if you analyze why it has not affected other creatures, why only mankind? I asked, what is the objective of sending this corona? For the last 2 years, the mankind is suffering because of this corona. What is the cause? So in the depth of the silence inside you, you hear the voice of God. So in the Samadhi Dhyanam, he gave the cause for the corona, why he has sent corona, for the two reasons. So one thing is, he said, so I have created all the living creatures. The living creatures, the Atma which has come out of me, has to pass through the evolution, starting from soil to earthworm, to insects, to lizards and snakes, to birds, to animals and human beings. This is first sense, 2 sense, 3 sense, 4 sense, 5 sense. And finally the human 6 senses, human being, and before it merges into me back. So this is the cycle of the Atma's evolution which has come from me. So in this it has to pass through, my creation is in such a way, in this evolution the Atma has to pass through these 6 stages before it comes to me. In all this evolution I have shown in such a way, the earthworm is being food for insects. Insects is being food for lizards and snakes. And the snakes and lizards are the food for birds. Birds and other initial creatures are food for the animals. In the animals, I have shown you carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous. So omnivorous, purely flesh-eating animals. Then omnivorous, flesh-eating and vegetable eating. And finally, vegetarian animals like cow, deer, all these things. So after in the animals evolution, I brought this herbivorous animal before. The monkey is herbivorous. From monkey, the human form has come. So in my evolution, I made human being in the 6th sense human being after the herbivorous status of the animal. But man is having these past vasanas. So what is happening is, he is having, in the mankind, if you see, there are 3 categories, like carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous in animals, because man is a mixture of animal instinct and God instinct. So in this evolution in a human form, mankind, the levels is one who have the carnivorous nature, that is always eat flesh 3 times a day. They are the Rakshasa gunas. They always eat and drink, and to eat and drink this flesh and meat, they use all kinds of evil deeds to acquire money, to capture the power, all these things they involve in the people in the Rakshasa gunas. Then common man is a mixture of divine and devilish gunas. And finally yogis, they are purely divine in nature, sattvic in nature. When man attains this sattvic in nature, they come to me. This is the evolution process I brought. But in this Kali Yuga, this Rakshasa gunas, people having more of Rakshasa gunas is about 75%, whereas the people with divine gunas are only 25%. So what is happening is, in this Rakshasa guna human being who is carnivorous in nature by way of physical food, in food consumption, he is carnivorous in nature, and some people are in omnivorous nature. But they found the majority, 90-95% of the mankind presently is they are carnivorous or omnivorous in nature. What they are doing here, they are eating all the animals, all the birds, all the lizards, snakes, insects, up to earthworm. They are not leaving any of my creatures. So I created each level of forms like earthworm, insects, lizards, birds, animals. To complete this evolution, the Atma should pass through each stage of evolution before it comes to mankind. But man is not allowing these creatures to live. He is killing and eating everything. So in all the sea animals, millions and millions of sea animals have been killed every day for man's consumption. Today, all the birds, all the lizards, everything under the what is coming in land or in the sea is eating. So what is happening? There is an ecology imbalance in the system. The entire ecology, the living creatures, there is an imbalance in the living creatures. So the Atma could not pass through the various evolution. That is on the spiritual side. On the nature side, there is an imbalance in the ecology. Only man is there. All other living creatures are extincting. When all the other living creatures extinct, and man continues to remain carnivorous, what happens? He will not have any animals to eat. He will not have any insects, birds, anything to eat. And finally man will kill man and eat, go to cannibalism. So that is the stage man is going in. So it is high time that I have to correct this ecology. So the objective of bringing Corona is to correct this ecology. My creature's extinction I want to save. I want the Atma to pass through various evolutions, various forms. And this ecology imbalance has to be brought only when man has been checked. That's why the objective of this Corona is nothing but my creation of Kalki avatar to destroy the adharma and establish the dharma. So man is doing adharma. He is destroying all my creatures for his selfish aggrandizement. For his eating, he is destroying all these creatures. So now what happened? Last 2 years, when I brought this Corona, many people, because so many human beings have been killed. Because of that, so many millions of living creatures are able to create in the last 2 years. So many animals started, because animals creation is faster. So in sea animals, many creatures are coming now because people who consume so much have been killed. Because many of them are affected by Corona, and during this period, the animal extinction is getting saved, and they are now bringing their species. More species are coming in the sea and the land animals. So this over a period, this ecology, because this Corona will continue as long as the ecology balance is arrived at. So ecology balance in this nature side. And the other important thing for establishing dharma and destroying the adharma is man, apart from eating habit, what is needed for satisfying his physical hunger, and he is having the mental hunger. What is that mental hunger? Is to his selfish aggrandizement to earn money, to enjoy life in this materialistic world. He is more moving away from the spiritual path. He is more moving towards the materialistic path. Whatever duties have been entrusted with, whatever avocation has been entrusted with, he is misusing. He is going in the adharma path. So the adharma path is another way of evil getting more vibrant in the world. So this adharma is getting more vibrant. In Kali Yuga, 75% is adharma. So a politician is misusing his position to accumulate wealth through corrupt motion. Corruption is increasing throughout the world. A bureaucrat is involved in corruption and bribery. A policeman is involved in corruption. A doctor is exploiting patients. Besides, he is misusing his position to sell the organs and making money. And the so-called spiritual are exploiting the devotees and earning money. So the business people are using unethical, immoral ways to earn money and also accumulating black money in the society. All these things they are using the adharma path only to see the satisfy the selfish aggrandizement. Today in India there are billionaires at the same time millions of people, the crores of people are still starving out of poverty, illiteracy and employment. Whereas people, billionaires are enjoying, extracting all their wealth and keeping it them. So what is happening? Because this is mainly because of the unethical, immoral way how a person having opportunity is accumulating wealth, whereas the person is not having, he would not able to survive in this world. When he could not able to survive, he is using the immoral, illegal way of taking through the dacoity, looting and terrorism, Naxalism, all these things, the anti-social, anti-national activities, the deprived people are getting involved. So this, because of this, there is a social unrest. There is a complete turmoil in the society, where many places due to terrorist acts, people have been destroyed, property has been destroyed, all because of the evil thinking of the man. So this has to be, this adharma is increasing. This has to be brought to control. So ecology has to be brought control. The evil in the mind of the people should be brought under control, so that there will be real peace in the world. So with that objective, I brought this corona. So many because it is affecting mankind. Because by reducing the mankind, I am keeping this ecology to balance. At the same time, I want to ensure that the evil mind in the man is slowly removed. So those who are engaged in this evil kind of activities, they have been destroyed. So establishing dharma and removing the adharma is the objective of this corona. So what I want to ensure is, who will survive in this corona is those who are sattvic in food. So one has to go through the sattvic way of food. They should not destroy my creatures. My creations, it has to pass through all the evolutions. Atma has to pass through all evolutions, all creatures. An insect should be eaten only by the birds, lizards or snakes. A frog should be eaten only by the snake, not by man. Insect should be eaten only by the lizards, not by man. The earthworm should be eaten only by insect, not by man. The snakes are usually birds, not by man. Birds should be eaten by animals, not by man. Animals should be, the carnivorous animal can eat the herbivorous animal, not by man. So man should not involve in eating all these my creations. I have meant him the nature's food, organic food I have given him. Wheat, maize, all these things, fruits, vegetables, everything is given for man to live. But man, why he is using all this evil, why he is going backwards in his thinking? I have given him the sixth sense. By using it, he should spiritually emancipate. He should not focus on eating the carnivorous animal. This shows that his vasanas, the thoughts are in the very backside of his subconscious mind, in the carnivorous nature. So he should come out. He should use his sixth sense to move forward towards me, not backwards. So when he goes backwards, he goes to carnivorous stage. If he goes forward, he comes to me. So those who will survive is those who use the sixth sense in anticipating me, in worshipping me, in moving towards me through the spiritual emancipation. Those who have come deep towards me, and they will follow the sattvic food, and they will follow the sattvic attitude, and those will survive, because this is the nearing stage of this Kali Yuga. So each Yuga is 3000 years, and now in the last stage of his 3000 years Kali Yuga. So in this, those who follow my instructions, those who maintain the social ecology in the environment, who follow my instructions as far as the food is concerned, as far as the spiritual growth is concerned, they will survive. Those who doesn't adhere to my principles of living, and those who follow rules against my direction, they will be destroyed. And Corona is the first step in bringing this adharma to, reducing this adharma and establishing dharma. So on this May Day, when we should take a resolution that we should toil, we should labor, put our labor for spiritually emancipate ourselves, to visualize God and take to the sattvic way of food and thoughts. So that will bring peace in us, and we can bring peace in the society, in the family, everywhere. And that is the real way to bring this corona to end. Until and unless, because we should surrender to God, and we should, when you follow this, He will see that the negative, that corona is brought to the fore. So it is we, the human beings, who are responsible for the current situation, and it is we who should turn to establish the God's will of establishing the ecology by turning to the path of sattvic food, and also turn towards inside to see Him in the spiritually emancipate ourselves, and see that we come out of our selfish aggrandizement, selfish thinking, and keep our mind generous with full kindness, and see whatever we earn, we should not restrict ourselves for our selfish aggrandizement. We should see that the people surrounding us should see God everywhere. When you see God everywhere, the sufferings of others become sufferings of yours, and you can't sleep. That's what Swami Vivekananda says. So you see God everywhere, and see how you toil, your labor will not only benefit you, it will benefit the entire humanity, and there will be real growth in the entire world that brings real peace everywhere. When that comes, that is the rule of Lord that will be established. When that is established, that corona will slowly vanish. So it is our mankind, we have to take a resolution and work for removing two things: going in the sattvic way of food, and to establish the ecology balance, and moving in the spiritual path to remove the selfish nature in man, evil nature in man, and carry on our duties in a moral, ethical and legal way, fulfill our duties to ourselves, our family and to society, and distribute whatever our wealth, whatever our thoughts, whatever our actions for the well-being of the entire humanity, and thus bring real peace in the world. Thank you.